Activate drum ventilation. Set the lifting pedestal selector to up. Slowly move the following plate out of the drum. When the following plate is above the drum, please deactivate the drum ventilation. Now the empty drum can be removed from the machine. Please move the new drum to the machine now. If the following plate steelings are dry, please lubricate them with the t-s-i.de lubricant. Article code 9999-0002-005. Please take care that the new drum is properly prepared. The drum preparation depends on the type of material and the packaging of the material manufacturer. Please contact us if you're not sure how to prepare the drum properly. Set the lifting pedestal selector to down. Now you can slowly move the following plate into the drum using two-hand control. When the following plate has reached the following plate in the drum sensor, it is no longer necessary to operate the two-hand control and the following plate automatically moves into the barrel. Please remove the screw plug so that the air under the following plate can escape and the new barrel can be vented. As soon as only material and no core air comes out, you can screw in the screw plug again. Then unlock the drum empty message. Important: the selector for the lifting pedestal must always be in the down position during operation.